Hi there. Today I'm excited to share this fun and educational toy, the Learning Friends 100 Words book. Designed for kids 18 months and older, it comes with two AA demo batteries and measures about 9.4 inches wide, just the right size for little hands to explore again and again. There's a power slider to turn the book on and control the volume, plus a mode selector that lets you switch between hearing words, names, fun facts, and sound effects on each page. Kids will love meeting Turtle, Tiger, and Monkey. They're adorable learning friends who will guide them through more than 100 age appropriate words handpicked by learning experts.
Fun facts. This bird flies. This frog hops. Whoop. Words. Touch a picture. Elephant. Penguin.
Categories include everything from pets and animals to food, mealtime, colors, opposites, and outdoor activities, perfect for curious little minds. Each page is fully interactive. Touching a word plays its pronunciation, a sound effect, or a fun fact. Whether you're looking for a screen free learning toy or a bilingual vocabulary boost, this book is a fantastic addition to your little one's early learning journey. It's fun, educational, and packed with playful surprises that make learning new words an adventure. Thanks for watching and happy learning!